Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Conceptum classes. Today, we will discuss Theorem 6.1 of lines and angles, 9th class mathematics. Theorem is, if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposed angles are equal. In this session, we will discuss this theorem and all questions of exercise 6.1. So let us start. The theorem is, if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposed angles are equal. So that means two lines intersect each other. So here, let me draw a figure. Two lines. Let me name this line as AB and another line as CD intersect each other at point O. Then prove that vertically opposed angles are equal. Then prove that angle AOD, this angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. Prove that angle AOD, this angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and this angle BOD is equal to angle AOC. So what is given? Let us first write given, then what we have to prove, and then the proof. First given, what is given? Two lines intersect each other. Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O, at point O. To prove, what we have to prove? Vertically opposed angles are equal. That means we have to prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So let us see how we will prove this. Now look at the figure. You take line COD. This COD is a line here. COD is a line. COD is a line, and ray OA stands on it, and this ray OA stands on it. That means this angle AOD and angle AOC, this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees, because these are linear pair of angles. Now COD is a straight line and ray OA stands on it. Therefore, angle AOD plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree. You keep this as equation first, because these are linear pair of angles. Now, again, now you take AOB. This AOB is a straight line and ray OC stands on it. Take this straight line AOB and ray OC stands on it. And ray OC stands. That means this angle plus this angle. That means angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. These are again linear pair angles. Now, AOB is a straight line and ray OC stands on it. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. You keep this as equation second. This is again linear pair of angles. Now from equations first and second, we have angle AOD plus angle AOC is equal to angle AOC plus angle BOC. Here angle AOC and AOC cancels. Then we have angle AOD equal to angle BOC. This we have to prove. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Similarly, we can prove that. Similarly, we can prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. This proves our theorem. Next, let's move to exercise 6.1. Now, exercise 6.1. Question number 1. First question. Figure is given. Lines A, B, and C D intersect at O. Here in a figure has been given like this. Lines AB and line CD intersect each other at O. Intersect each other at O. And one more ray OE, is between OB and OC. Such that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It has been given that angle AOC, this angle, plus angle BOE plus this angle is equal to 70 degree. This is given. And angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Angle BOD, this angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. And find angle BOE. We have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. COE. This we have to find out. So see here, let us prove this. It is given that angle AOC means this angle AOC and angle BOE means this angle is 170 degree, is 70 degree, and angle BOD and this angle BOD is 40 degree. Now, you look at the figure, lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. Let me explain you like this. This is line AB, this is line CD, this is line AB, this is line CD. They intersect each other at O. That means this angle AOC will be equal to angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD because these are vertically opposite angles. Now, lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. These are vertically opposite angles. Or angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. It it is given that angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Is equal to 40 degree because we have angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Clear? Note this result. AOC is equal to 40 degree. Now, angle AOC given is that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now, angle AOC, we have proved it to be 40 degree. So that means 40 degree angle plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Or angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. That means angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. This angle BOE, this angle BOE, this angle, it is 30 degree. It is 30 degree. This we have find out एंगल BOE निकाला हमने. अब क्या निकालना है? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE. लेकिन रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE निकालने के लिए पहले ये एक्यूट एंगल COE निकाल दो. First we have to find acute angle COE, then we can find reflex angle COE. So let us first find acute angle COE. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE plus this acute angle COE is equal to 70 degree, is equal to 180 degree, sorry, 180 degree, because these are lines, angles on a straight line, or we can call them as linear pair of angles, or angles on a straight line, angles on a straight line. And you know that straight line itself is an 180 degree angle, and all angles on a straight line, their sum is always equal to 180 degree. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE, it is given to be 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So here we can find angle COE. Angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. Angle COE is equal to 110. And remember, this is acute angle COE. This is acute angle. This is acute angle COE. And we have to find a reflex angle. Now, reflex angle COE will be equal to 360 minus acute angle COE. It is 360 minus 110 degree. It is 250 degree. This is reflex angle COE. You pause the video and note it down. Next question. Let us move to question number 2. Next, question number 2. Second question is that a figure is given, lines XY and MN intersect each other at O. Lines XY, this is line XY, and MN, and the line MN, this is line MN. They intersect each other at O. Angle POY is 90 degree. Here we have another ray OP perpendicular on XY. OP perpendicular on XY, that means angle POY. This angle POY is 90 degree. And this angle POM is kept as A, and this angle XOM is kept as B, and XON is kept as C. This angle This A, this B, and this angle is C. We have to find A, B, and C. We have to find A, B, and C. So what is given here? Given is lines XY and MN intersect each other at O. Ray OP is perpendicular on XY. That means angle POY is equal to 90 degree. Look at what we have to find out. We have to find out angle A, angle B, and angle C. We have to find out A, B, and C. All these three are angles. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now, see the proof. You look at XY. XOY is a straight line. This XOY is a straight line, and this ray OP is perpendicular here, and this is another ray M. This is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle POY. So that means the sum of these three angles, angle B, angle A, and angle POY, will be 180 degree, because these are angles on a straight line. So angle B plus angle A plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. These are angles on a straight line. Or we have angle B plus angle A plus angle POY, which is 90 degree, is equal to 180 degree, because angle POY is 90 degree given. It is given. Angle POY is 90 degree here. So that means we can write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus 90. That means angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. This angle plus this angle. These two angles are now 90 degree. Now, and it is given that A is to B is 2 is to 3. Here it is given that A, let me write it here, A is to B is 2 is to 3. It is given. Angle A, the ratio between angle A and angle B is 2 is to 3. Now, ratio between angle A and angle B is 2 is to 3. When we say ratio, ratio means between these two angles, A and B, there is something common. There is something common. What is that common? Let us put that as x. So let angle A be equal to 2x and angle B be equal to 3x. Then angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Angle A is 2x, angle B is 3x. This is equal to 90 degree. That means 5x is equal to 90 degree. That means x is equal to 90 by 5. 5 18s. X is equal to 18 degree. Now we have find out x. Let us find angle A. Now angle A is 2x. It means 2 into 18, 36 degree. Angle B is 3x. 3 into 18, 54 degree. And we have to find angle C now. Now, MON is a straight line and ray OX stands on it. And ray OX stands on it. Therefore, angle B plus angle C. तो ये ऐसे है, ये हमारे पास MON है और ये रे OX स्टैंड्स ऑन इट। ये एंगल बी है और ये एंगल सी है, और इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम 180 होगा, बिकॉज दीज आर लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स। Therefore we have angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. These are linear pair of angles. Angle B, which is 54 degree, plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That means angle C is equal to 180 minus 54. That means angle C is equal to 126 degree. Angle A is 36 degree, angle B is 54, and angle C is 126. Pause the video and note it down. Let's move to next question. Question number 3. Third question is now. Third question is now. In figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRT. Figure is given here. This is PQR, and this is S, and this is T. It is given that angle PQR, this angle PQR, is equal to angle PRQ, is equal to angle PRQ. ये एंगल PQR is equal to angle PRQ, इस एंगल के बराबर है. What we have to find out angle PQS. We have to prove that angle PQS, this angle PQS, is equal to angle PRT. This we have to prove. So what is given? Given is that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. What we have to find out? What we have to find out? Here we have to prove that, find that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. See the proof. Now if you look at the figure, this angle PQS, this angle PQS and angle PQR and this angle, ये angle और ये angle दोनों मिलाकर 180 डिग्री होंगे, because these are linear pair of angles. Angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Gives us first. These are linear pair of angles. Similarly, angle PRT, this angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. You give this as second. Again, linear pair of angles. So from equations first and second, we have, because right hand side of both the equations are equal, therefore their left hand sides must be also equal. That means PQS plus angle PQR must be equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. But it is given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. But angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. It is given. So that means this angle PQR and angle PRQ, they are equal. They are equal. Therefore, they cancel each other. So this angle and this angle goes. Therefore, we have angle PQS equal to angle PRT. This we have to prove. Note it down. Let's move to another question. Question number 4. Fourth question. A figure is given in which angle x plus angle y is equal to angle w plus angle z. So a figure is given here. Figure is like this. This is A, this is O, and this is B. And here we have C, and here we have D. This is given as angle x, this angle as angle y, this angle as angle z, and this angle as angle w. And it's given that x plus y, angle x plus angle y is equal to angle w plus angle z. Then prove that AOB is a straight line. Prove that AOB is a straight line. So given a figure दी हुई है in which rays OC and OD form angles X, Y, Z and W with rays OA and OB respectively. To prove, we have to prove that it's also given that X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. Prove that AOB is a straight line. Here we will use linear pair action. Obviously, linear pair action use करके इसको prove करेंगे. Now, if you look at the figure, X, Y, Z, and W, the sum of all these four angles, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z plus angle W, will be 360 degrees because these are angles around a point. We have angle X plus angle Y plus angle W plus angle Z equal to 360 degrees. These are angles around a point, or we call them as complete angle. Now, X plus Y and W plus Z is equal to 360 degrees. Or we have X plus Y plus W plus Z. W plus Z is also equal to X plus Y. So instead of W plus Z, let's write X plus Y is equal to 360 degrees because angle W plus angle Z is equal to angle X plus angle Y. Now, X plus Y, that means 2X plus 2Y is equal to 360 degrees. We take 2 as common. That means X plus Y is equal to 360 degrees. That means X plus Y equal to 360 by 2. Let me write it here now. X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. So that means the sum of angle X and angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, they form a linear pair of angles. They form a linear pair of angles. Because you see, angle X and angle Y, they have a common vertex O, they have a common arm OC, and their sum is 180 degrees. Therefore, they form a linear pair of angles, and the outer arms of linear pair of angles are always in a straight line. Therefore, their outer arms must be a straight line. Hence, AOB is a straight line. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. Pause the video and note it down. Let's move to another question. Question number 5. Fifth question. It's an important question. Most important question. Fifth question. The question is, in the figure, a figure is given. Let me draw the figure here. This is P, O, Q, R, and S. And this OR is perpendicular on PQ. A figure is given in which POQ is a straight line, ray OR is perpendicular on it, and ray OS lies between OR and OP. Then prove that this angle ROS is half of angle QOS and minus angle POS. So what is given here? A line POQ, ray OR is perpendicular on PQ, and ray OS lies between the rays OP and OR. To prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle ROS, this angle ROS, is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This way I have to prove. Angle ROS, this angle, is half of angle QOS minus POS. So let us see the proof, how we will prove it. So it is given that ray OR is perpendicular on PQ. Given OR is perpendicular on PQ. So that means angle QOR, this angle QOR, this angle is 90 degree. That means angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. Also angle ROP or POR will be 90 degree. Therefore angle POR will be also 90 degree. यानी अगर ये मेरे पास रे PQ है, लाइन PQ है, तो ये OR इस पे परपेंडिकुलर है, तो ये एंगल भी 90 होगा और ये एंगल भी 90 होगा, दोनों 90 होंगे. This angle is also 90 and this angle is also 90. Now you see that this is the most important step of this question. Now you take angle QOS. Take angle QOS. Angle QOS. This angle QOS, if you look at the figure, angle QOS, it is angle QOR plus angle ROS. So let us find the value of angle ROS. Or we have angle QOS minus angle QOR equal to angle ROS. Or we can write it like this. Angle ROS is equal to angle QoS minus angle QOR. Keep this as first. Keep this as first. Now, look at angle POR. Angle POR. It's angle POS plus angle ROS. Again, find the value of angle ROS. Or we can write angle POR minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS. Or let me put it like this. Angle ROS is equal to angle POR minus angle POR minus angle POS. We keep this as second. Now adding first and second. Add the two equations. Adding equations first and second. We have angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QoS minus angle QOR plus angle POR minus angle POS, or ROS plus ROS. Twice angle ROS is equal to angle QoS minus angle QOR. Look, angle QOR, that is 90 degree. So instead of angle QOR, let me write 90 degree plus angle POR here, POR, that's also 90 degree plus 90 degree minus angle POS. Minus 90 plus 90 cancels. That means twice angle ROS is equal to angle QoS minus angle POS. So that means angle ROS. You transpose 2 here, it will be 1/2 of angle QoS minus angle POS. This proves the question. Pause the video and note it down. Let us move to question number 6. Sixth question. This is last question of this exercise. Question 6 says that it's given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Let me draw the figure. Angle XYZ, XYZ, this angle XYZ, it is 64 degree. And XY is produced to P. This XY, or let me write this as X and this as Z. This XY is produced to P. XY is produced to P. Draw the figure from the information given. If YQ bisects angle ZYP, angle ZYP is bisected by another ray YQ. This YQ bisects, so that means this angle PYQ, this angle PYQ will be equal to angle ZYQ, will be equal to this angle ZYQ. Then find angle XQY. Find angle angle XYQ. Angle XYQ. This we have to find out. ये एंगल एक्स वाई क्यू, ये पूरा एंगल यहां से लेकर ये पूरा एंगल देखना है, एंड एंगल क्यू वाई पी, एंगल क्यू वाई पी, एंगल क्यू वाई पी, और ये एंगल देखना है. So what is given? Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. XY is produced to point P, to P, and YQ bisects angle ZYP. Look here. First, to draw the figure, that we have done. And second, we have to prove that to find angle XYQ, XYQ, and reflex angle, and reflex angle QYP, reflex angle QYP, and reflex angle QYP. This we have to do. Now, let us see the proof here. Now, clearly XYP is a straight line. This XYP is a straight line, and ray YZ stands on it. This XYP is a straight line, and ray YZ stands on it. Therefore, this angle plus this angle, it will be 180 degree. XYP is a straight line, and ray YZ stands on it. Therefore, angle XYZ, this angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degree. These are linear pair of angles. LPA, and let me write in short, LPA, linear pair of angles. Now this angle XYZ, it is 64 degree. 64 degree plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, ZYP, angle ZYP is 180 minus 64. So that means angle ZYP is equal to 160 minus 64, 180 minus 64. I think it is 160 degree. Clear? Now, ray YQ. Now, ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. This ray YQ, it bisects angle ZYP. So it means that angle ZYQ, the angle ZYQ is equal to angle BYQ is equal to this angle. Both the angles will be half of angle ZYP. Let me take angle ZYQ is equal to angle PYQ is equal to half of angle ZYP. ZYP that we have to find, we have already found out, is 116 degree. 258. So that means angle ZYQ is equal to angle PYQ is equal to 58 degree. Both these angles, this angle and this angle, measure is 58 degree. Now, angle XYQ. Now, angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, means that angle XYQ, angle XYZ, that is 64 degree, plus angle ZYQ, that is 58 degree. It means that angle XYQ will be equal to 8 plus 4, 12, 122 degree. Now, reflex angle. PY, reflex angle QYP, it will be equal to 360 minus acute angle QYP. It means the reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus angle QYP is 58 degree. So it is 302 degree. This proves the question. I hope you must have understood all these questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you.